Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am glad you're here. My name is Amy. On today's episode, something awesome is coming your way. So, we're going to be having a virtual workshop, a small business workshop this month, June the 28th. I'm going to put all of the information down below. I'm going to put the registration link down below. Register for a small business workshop. The registration link will be down below. And we're going to be talking about work, about business and startup. What stage are you in your business? We want to talk about that. What business ideas do you have? Let's talk about that business idea you have. How can you serve? I mean, how those business ideas going to serve and help your audience, your customers, your clients. We want to talk about that. What problem solving are you doing? Your vision statement. We want to hear about your vision and your mission for that business, for that organization. We are here to help. We want to hear about it. If you need some help registering that business, we can assist you and connect you with organizations that will help you set that up. If you're trying to set up that landing page for your for your company, for your business, we're going to help you set that up. We do understand a business startup can be pricey, can be expensive, but we are here to help. We're here to make sure you succeed. We are here to help. So that small business that you are about to start, or you just started a few weeks, months ago, or years, 2 years, and you just need some help. We are here to help with the startup. We can assist you with making that website if you're trying to build a website, and we have the information to low budgets to free resources that you can use. I understand how expensive it can be to start any business. Regardless of how small you're starting, it's expensive, and I understand that. We are here to help. We are not a financial institution. We are not, but we're here to help. We want to hear you out. That business you are venturing into, I want to help. I want to make sure that you're successful. We want to make sure that your name is out there. And let's help you start up properly. Let's help you start with the resources you will need. We have some free to low budget resources that can help you with your business. From starting the website, we can help you set up a website where you can post the pictures, like I mentioned. And if there's a service you render, you can put that information in there. You need help with flyers, opening that social media page, scheduling your posts, putting things in there, that product you're selling, taking pictures of your product. We can help you with that. Opening up a business bank account. You're trying to set that up. You don't know how to start. That way you can take online payments. You can do some online training on customer service, onboarding your new staff to your organization. Pretty much the back end of your business. You're trying to set that up. You're not really sure what directions to go, how to start. Let me help you. I am here. Just tell me what your need is. Like I said, we are not a financial institution. We can't give you money. We can't help you with money, but we want to hear how we can help. And if we are unable to help you, we will be sure to direct you to someone who can help you with your need. We want to make sure that your needs are met. So bring that idea, that business that you have in mind, let us know about it, and we can make suggestions. We can help you with that website, do the website, do your your social media page, Instagram or TikTok or YouTube. You're trying to set that up. We can do that. Come on YouTube. There's plenty of space on YouTube. Come join me here, and I will be happy to assist you as well. So I'm new on YouTube and I'm enjoying the space. Come join me. I am excited. Alrighty, look forward to seeing you soon. Register. The link is gonna be down below. Register for that virtual workshop. Let's get to know one another, and let's learn and grow from each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you then June 28th. Register. The link is down below. Thank you. Have a good day.